Hi, today we're excited to show you the 8kg condenser dryer from Hire. At Hire, we're all about caring for your laundry. This machine is easy to use with 16 dry programs along with 3 sensor dry levels. The auto-sensing technology will prevent overdrying, enhancing the longevity of your clothes. The Anti-Crease Function is a great addition as it will save you time on ironing. This is done by rotating the drum at the conclusion of the cycle, stopping the clothes from creasing. The Hire Condenser Dryer has a reverse tumble option on the bedding cycle, which allows for even drying and limits the amount of tangling during the drying process. It has a built-in water collector. However, you also have the option to connect the drain hose to your drain outlet. Condenser technology is ideal for the consumer who may have a small space with limited ventilation, as this will reduce the amount of moisture and dust in your laundry. It also has a shoe drying feature that allows you to dry your shoes without damaging them. Hire makes your life easier with a wide range of laundry products that will fit your lifestyle.